Today, we're diving into a topic that might surprise you: the unhealthy foods that can negatively impact your brain health. You might think of brain-boosting foods like blueberries and fatty fish, but did you know that some everyday items in your pantry could do more harm than good? Research shows that certain foods can contribute to cognitive decline and even lead to brain diseases like Alzheimer's. For instance, processed sugars, trans fats, and excessive sodium can wreak havoc on your brain's health. These ingredients are often found in snacks, fast food, and sugary beverages that many consume regularly without a second thought. We must be aware of what we put into our bodies, as our dietary choices can significantly influence our brain health. What's even more surprising is that some of these harmful foods are marketed as healthy options. So, stick around as we uncover the truth behind these common culprits and share tips on making better choices for your brain. Your cognitive health is worth it! Being mindful of what we eat is crucial to protecting our brain health. Let's examine foods that are particularly detrimental to cognitive function and could contribute to brain disease. First on the list is processed sugar. High sugar intake can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress, which is linked to cognitive decline. Studies have shown that diets high in sugar can impair memory and learning abilities. Next, we have trans fats, commonly found in fried foods, baked goods, and margarine. These unhealthy fats can disrupt the brain's ability to communicate effectively, leading to memory issues and an increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Another culprit is excessive sodium, often hidden in processed and packaged foods. High sodium levels can lead to hypertension, which is a significant risk factor for cognitive decline and stroke. Lastly, let's not forget about refilled carbohydrates, like white bread and pastries. These foods can cause spikes in blood sugar levels, leading to inflammation and potential brain fog. Here are 10 specific foods you should avoid to keep your mind sharp and healthy. 1. Sugary drinks. Sodas and energy drinks contain sugar. A study published in the journal Diabetes Care found that high sugar consumption is linked to an increased risk of dementia. 2. Processed meats. Hot dogs and deli meats contain high sodium and preservatives. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition indicates that processed meats can increase the risk of cognitive decline. Making these simple swaps can significantly benefit your brain health. Never eat walnuts with this; it causes cancer and memory loss. Walnuts are often hailed as a superfood, packed with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. However, a specific combination can make them harmful: walnuts combined with excessive sugar or sweeteners. This seemingly innocent pairing can lead to serious health risks, including cancer and memory loss. When consumed with high amounts of sugar, walnuts can create an inflammatory response in the body. Research has shown that excessive sugar intake can lead to insulin resistance, which is linked to various health issues, including cognitive decline and an increased risk of certain cancers. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that high sugar diets can negatively impact brain health, leading to memory loss. Moreover, the combination of walnuts and sugar can negate the health benefits of the nuts themselves. While walnuts are rich in healthy fats, the added sugar can promote oxidative stress and inflammation, counteracting their protective effect.